RapidStart Project for Dataverse includes a mobile app for your on-the-go users. Let's take a quick look at the mobile app now. This app can be accessed by your users on either Apple or Android devices. Once logged in, your users will see this main screen. This is displaying a list of projects. To open a project, they click the arrow next to it. This is the project details screen. Here they can see the information about the project. At the bottom of the screen are two options, one to open the task list and one to add an expense. We'll take a look at adding an expense first. This screen allows the user to add an expense item to the project. The user can enter the information and click Save. Let's take a look at the task list from the previous screen. Here is a list of all tasks for this project. Users can open a task by clicking the arrow next to it. This is the task details screen with general information about the task. Users can add time to a task by clicking Add Time. This is the time entry screen. The user can enter the information and click Save. That concludes this quick demo of the RapidStart Project mobile app for users. As you could see, like everything RapidStart, this app has been designed to be easy to use. It is also completely customizable, so it can be modified to fit your needs. From the RapidStart team at ForceWorks, thanks for watching.